Remember, happiness doesn't depend upon who you are or what you have. It depends solely on what you think. Yeah, guys, hello, welcome back. I want to talk with you one fantastic topic like today about topics that I was reading a book, so it's related to a topic, okay, guys. So while reading, why we feel too bored. Yeah, guys, even sometime also I feel too bored or reading part. I don't like that, but this is true, guys. Like why we are feeling too bored while reading. So I'm going to tell a reason. What is the reason, guys, why we feel too bored? Okay, so just let's see that, guys. Do you think about like why we are feeling too bored? Because we choose a wrong book, we choose a wrong way. That's why reason we are feeling too bored easily. Why we are not making an interest? Because we choose something wrong, totally wrong. We are going to do a wrong. So it's very important, guys. Just choose a perfect way. Perfect reading means what I'm going to share with you. Okay, guys, always think about like any kind of thing. If you do, we have to study, we have to understand what is that I'm going to read reading a book. Okay, so think about like this is perfect for me and not, will I understand or not. So it's very important reading part, guys. Always choose a right book. Right book means like always choose a comic simple book. Simple book is like a children book and comic book, newspaper article. Just try to read a simple story, guys. At least try. You know why I'm telling? If you try 1 month, 1 week, definitely after that you will make a interest. This kind of, guys, we are making a interest or reading book, guys. If you do try, if you try, definitely after a month you will learn, you will read, you will never face a boring on reading part. Seriously, guys, this is very important. So always just try to make a interest reading. Means what? You can go with simple book. Simple book is like before I told you, comic book, children book, and newspaper. Use read an article. Seriously, this is very simple story, this is very simple thing, we understand, we enjoy. If we try, I know that this is very silly, because no anyone read a children book nowadays. Everyone think about like if I read a book, children book, then definitely people will laugh, people will judge, like people will comment me. Don't care, guys. You want to improve your English language, you want to build your confidence, you want to build your reading skill, you want to destroy your hesitation, and you want to build your pronunciation. So guys, it's very important reading. Doesn't matter what you are reading, but if you take a like step advanced level reading part, definitely, guys, first day to second day you will feel too bored. Like me right now, I'm feeling too bored because I don't like a reading part, seriously. But whenever I try to reading, definitely I feel too bored because I'm going to wrong way. So always go to right way, guys. At least try to understand, start one step, simple step. Okay, then definitely you will make a good interest like a reading part. Why I'm telling, at least try 1 month. Okay, definitely a day will come to like you can read any kind of book, you will understand everything about story, about grammar, about vocabulary, about pronunciation. And guys, it's very important, reading part always helpful your English language. Like you will learn a pronunciation, you will learn a vocabulary, you will learn a grammar part, you will learn a story, how to talk in front of people. Everything you will learn only for reading part. It's very important, guys. So this is the right way, guys. Always choose a simple things, don't make a complicate. Because if you make a complicate, if you go with hi-fi book like your favorite book, okay, sometime, seriously, guys, this is true. Okay, why I'm telling? Because I know very well, I apply myself. I'm reading this book, but I don't understand sometime word and sometime understand, because this is a wrong book for me. So that's why reason like sometime I feel to bore or reading part. That's why we are feeling to while reading a book, because we choose a wrong book. If you try a children book seriously, you will laugh, you will enjoy, you will understand story, grammar, vocabulary, everything, a situation, everything you will understand. At least try 1 month, 1 week. At least try, guys. Definitely after a month, you will tell me like, Samir, it was work for me. You will make a interest, guys. Without interest, we can't, do something. So you have to make a interest about reading. If you make a interest reading part, definitely it's gonna help for your improvement your English language. So just guys do it. And this is a very important reason why we are feeling to bore while reading. It's very important because we choose a wrong book, we choose a wrong way. Always read an article. Always, if you use a social media, guys, then choose a, like, just search out like good idioms and phrases. Just to write, just to read a sentence and comment. Because this is a very simple thing, guys. Always people are commenting a simple way. So you can also just read it carefully and concentrate, guys. And if you confuse any kind of word, story and sentence, then search out what you mean by that. I know that, guys, like if you use a advanced level, if you take an advanced level book and try to read, definitely you will never understand each book. And you will never understand like a story and sentence and word. Seriously, it's gonna help, it's not help, but definitely you will feel to lots of problem about while reading. And one time if you feel, then definitely you will never try to reading part. So always think about simple way, guys. Simple way you can learn many things while reading. Okay, so choose the right book and right way and practice more and more. See, guys, a reading book, it's like, reading part, it's a very important. Why I'm going to tell you, because especially English, it's very helpful for learning. We can build a pronunciation, it's very important. Without reading, guys, like we can't speak proper, like some word, like we talk with difficult, we can't speak proper pronunciation. Why? Because we didn't read before books. So books always help English language, always gain your knowledge. If you try to make a good, if you try to make a like interest reading book, definitely it's gonna help for your life, your skill, your English language, your pronunciation and your conversation is very important. So just do it. This is all about reading past, guys. Always just learn, always just try to read and make a simple way. Don't make a complicated, guys. Okay, always think about good. And whenever you start reading a book, then take a pencil and mark those word like you don't understand. Then after the search on meaning of definition meaning, it's gonna help for your vocabulary section. So this is all about reading part, guys. Definitely, at least if you try 1 month, next month you will be master of reading. You will never face a boring with reading book. Okay, so thank you very much for watching my video. I hope so you will be understand what I'm talking about right now. This is all about like why we feel to, why we feel too bored and reading like that. Okay, so it's very complicated for me and for us. So always try to go with easy way. Okay, bye bye, see you soon. We will meet again like next video. And if you like this video, guys, so please share, do comment and do subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye bye.